Hello, good morning students. How are you? I hope that you all will be happy and healthy. Okay, now welcome to our HBK school and our practical labs. Okay, so now welcome to the 12th science. Let me start from today and our aim for the physics practical. So first, in our 12th syllabus, we have two sections. Section A, that is electrical experiments, and section B, that is optical experiments. In exam, we will be asked any one experiment from the each section of 20 marks. Yani 20 plus 20 plus 6 marks viva and 4 marks journal. That is total 50 marks. And 3 hours for that. That means 1 hour and 30 minutes for the section A and 1 hour and 30 minutes for the section B. Now, for that first you have to purchase one journal, one manual and one rough record book for that. Rough record book that means कोई भी simple notebook चलेगी. But for journal that means you have to purchase from the government printed journal printed by the Gujarat Rajya Pathya Pustak Mandal and one manual book for their reference. Okay, so keep ready for this. Today we are going to start the section A, that is electrical experiments. So let me introduce some apparatus for the electric parts. ओके तो आज हम देखेंगे कुछ apparatus और उसका symbols and use and applications in our experiments. Here we will have to work with the electricity, so you will be more careful than the 11th science बेटा. अगर आप यहाँ पर साइंस में हो तो you now behave as a science student, so sincerity and discipline के साथ हम practical start करेंगे. ठीक है, तो let me start the introduction of the electrical apparatus. Generally power supplied by the torrent is AC. So never try to touch this knob. When switch is on, don't try to touch here because the power supplied by the torrent is AC and it is 220 volts. While here we use a DC power supply in experiments. So we have our first device. The name is DC battery eliminator. What is called? That is DC direct current and eliminator. Why? It is eliminates the voltage from 220 to 5 voltages. And while it is a DC, so obviously it should have a positive and negative terminals. And it is given by the color code. Here it is this is a positive terminal and this is a negative terminal. Okay, this is the positive terminal and negative terminal. Now the symbol for the DC battery is one is a bigger line, second one is a smaller line. The bigger one is a positive terminal and the smaller line is a negative terminal. In your book it is not mentioned, but this is a positive and negative. You have to understand what is the positive and negative. The AC power supply symbol is given by this AC and the sine wave is there. Now let me start. तो हियर अगर आप कहीं पर भी कनेक्ट करो तो आपको पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव याद रखना है कि कौन सा टर्मिनल पॉजिटिव है एंड कौन सा टर्मिनल नेगेटिव है. तो सबसे पहले यू विल यूज द वायर, कनेक्टिव वायर. द वायर, the color of the wire is doesn't matter. Okay, that is the insulation color. We use generally the copper wire. So when you connect only this copper wire with this terminal. Now after this battery you connect the simple key. This instrument is known as a simple key. It has two terminal, terminal number 1, terminal number 2, and this is the key. So when you keep out it will be in off condition. Okay, so you collect all this wire and wind it and open the terminal and connect only copper wire like this, and you will connect the second terminal too. Now this is a key symbol. It is given by the key only K. When the knob is not inserted, it is a off position. Right now it is a off position, but when you insert this key like this, then it will be on connection, on position. So current will flow through the circuit. After this you will connect a third appliance. It is a rheostat. Rheostat is also known as a regulator. It regulates the current in the circuit. Rheostat has three terminals, two at lower terminal and one is at upper terminal. These two lower terminals are a fixed terminal, while this upper one is a variable terminal. So always you connect, one is at lower and one is at upper. And by this knob, as you slide it from this lower side and upper sides, the current in the circuit you can increase or decrease by sliding this knob of the rheostat. The symbol of the rheostat is this. These two terminals are a fixed terminal, while the upper terminal is a variable terminal. So always you connect, one is at upper terminal and one is upper terminal, second is a lower terminal. Now after this, if current is passing through the circuit, obviously the current is measured in an ampere. But ampere is a very large unit. Generally we will use the current in a milliampere range. So here we have given a 2 milliamperes with different range. For any meter, you have to find first two things. First is a range and least count. Range means minimum to maximum. Here the minimum current is 0 and maximum is 500 mA. The symbol is small m and capital A, and here is a straight line. This straight line indicates that it is a DC milliammeter. Okay. Again it is given by a positive and negative terminal. Keep it in mind. See, the red terminal is a positive. See, red is positive. It is also denoted with the positive. Black is negative. Is also denoted by this minus sign. Now again the range is 0 to 500 and least count means value of the one division. So 0 to 100 dividing by 10 divisions. Now the second meter is a voltmeter. Voltmeter, that means potential difference meter, voltage meter. So potential meter, voltage meter again is two terminals, and one is a red, that is a positive. The second one, that is a negative. Red is positive, black is always negative terminal. We have two different voltmeters. First for any meter you have to find two again things. First is the range and second is the least count. The range of the first meter is 0 to 6 voltage, and the least count is 0 to 1 voltage is dividing by 10 divisions. So value of the one division is 0.1 volt. The second voltmeter is, its range is 0 to 10 voltage, and 0 to 2 voltage is dividing by 10 divisions. So value of the one division is equal to 0.2 volt. Okay. Now this voltmeter measures the potential difference across any device. So whenever you connect it, you will connect the voltmeter parallel to that device. Okay. So first here it should be parallel to that any device. Now the symbol of the voltmeter is V, is positive and negative terminal. Okay. Now the last meter is a gallon meter. Gallon meter, pointer is on center side. It can deflect either left side or right side. The use of the gallon meter is to measure the current passing through the circuit, resistance of the circuit, and to convert the voltmeter and gallon meter too. So when you connect the gallon meter in a circuit, what will happen? If current is flowing from left to right, it will deflect this side, and if current is flowing in opposite side, it will deflect in opposite sides. If current is not flowing through the circuit, the pointer remains on 0 on center sides. So using this instrument we can find the presence of the circuit, presence of the current in the circuit, or direction of the current in the circuit too. So these are the electric device we will use in a experiments. तो हम हमारे पास इतने सारे apparatus है. With the help of this, and symbol for this galvanometer is G. Now with the help of this instrument, we will start the experiment. तो ये अपना एक introduction था. आपको ये symbols, and whenever you draw the circuit in your journal, so you have to draw the circuit on left blank page. So don't write the picture diagram. You have to draw the circuit diagram. So you have to mention the symbol instead of this meter. You have to mention or draw the symbol of these appliances in the circuit diagrams. Okay, students. तो आज हम यहाँ तक के